AMPS stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is AMPX stock a buy? This is going to be my exact plan for the video. I'm overall, like, I'm the only guy in this space who's done 43,000 videos and has proof of everything, and I'm not telling you this just to freaking lie. It's all my YouTube channel, like 43,000 videos. It's taken me 5 years, and I've been showing you what's working and what's not. With this, I'm looking to take it further up, but randomly buying is just going to be the biggest mistake that I could even do. Like, why though? Because if I do not see the price just pulling a bit lower and then giving me the shift, then I'm just assuming that the things will turn for the better, right? It's not how you want to do this. I mean, you can do whatever the heck you want. I'm just saying what I've learned from 43,000 videos and 5 years of refinement. You know, I do have some receipts in the Discord with 2 results, but bro, unless I see the price actually pulling and giving me that shift, then buying is just going to be out of the equation. Now, I love the trend and all that good stuff. Do not get me wrong, but beforehand, my bias is I hope it's going to be bullish. And since then we've doubled, but still the only thing that I'll do is buy if there's a confirmation. Now, if you want to stay tuned with AMPX and want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.